Hi everybody, that's me again. I'm gonna show you how to use the word process package, and I'm gonna use this on my VOE on my college. I'm here and VOE, and I'm gonna looking for the Microsoft here. This is a Microsoft package, and all Microsoft package. Excel, PowerPoint, I'm gonna use and click here, Word, Microsoft Word, and click here to open it, this new blank document, to make a document. And I'm gonna show you what I have to do. And I'm gonna write here the title, Christmas London, and I'm gonna I'm gonna show you, open a search bar, Google, and look for Christmas in London 20, and I'm gonna change for this one and open this website, and I'm gonna click here and gonna choose this part of this phrase, and I'm gonna copy and paste on my document. And I'm gonna paste here. I'm gonna use this bar to make this bigger, and I'm gonna see better. This one is, I'm gonna rephrase this paragraph, and I'm gonna change the words I'm gonna rephrase. To rephrase, I just change the color and the ink. I'm gonna put italic, and when you rephrase a paragraph, you just change the words and not change the meaning of the paragraph. And I'm gonna change. I'm gonna start to change this right now. I'm gonna change almost for approximately. As soon as temperatures drops, change for collapse. and the clocks go back. I'm gonna change this word too. I'm gonna change for change. London is converted into winter wonderland. Winter wonderland. Ice bricks. Wings appear, change for come out. And is squares on rooftops and outside London. Income Wiley, the city, glitters. I'm gonna change it glamorous. With Christmas lights. And creatively, I'm gonna change decorated. Trees. That's it. I rephrase this paragraph and I didn't change the means of the paragraph. I'm gonna save now, open this bar, save, and write the name of this London Christmas. Okay, I'm gonna save it. My document is saving, and after that I'm gonna show you London Christmas and go to the VRV and resource and I'm going to find my VRV. I look for the assessment, this course, and I'm gonna put in Turnitin. I'm gonna submit in Turnitin. Turnitin is here on assignment, and I'm gonna open, and you're gonna see Turnitin is loading, and I have to submit this one. Open it, and I'm gonna drop here, and that's it. And I'm not submit because it's not my assignment. Thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna close everything now, and thank you. Bye.